This poor thing didn't even have the energy to fly, and it was covered with spider webs and dust. Afterwards, we gave him some water, trying to make it drink, and as you can see, this little fellow is loving it. When it was doing a little better, I grabbed some of the hummingbird solution we had at the house, and here it is, drinking like nothing happened. Watch what this little guy's gonna do after. There it goes. Enough energy to fly around. We gave up chasing this fella, but we ended up opening the doors and it flew out.